So I think here all the icons have entered the link. So afterwards, I will add a link to our download CV button. As in this button, we will add a link of our resume or any CV if you have. So I have already created my resume and my Google Docs. On I can say Google Drive. So when so here is a resume of mine in Google Drive. So I will just copy the share link of this resume by clicking on this. If you have your resume or CV, then you can just copy the link from your Google Drive or any other. So just copy it and I have copied the link and I will paste it to this button. So first remove this hashtag and with the help of shortcut key Control plus V, paste this link and update your site. Afterwards, we will refresh our page and see the link is working or not. First, we'll make some changes here. Like we will uh, click on the open in new window. So the link will open in a new tab whenever I click on it. Like this, I will make the changes in all of the icons. Open in a new window, update, open in a new window, update. So now when I refresh my page and click on my download TV, it will open a new tab and it will open my resume. So this how it works. Now we will add all of the links in these three icons also. So come to these icons and add the link like Facebook. So for Facebook, I have to log in my Facebook. So I will copy the my Facebook account link and I will paste it in my list. Like also, I have already copied a Twitter link. Where is it? Okay, so there is my Twitter link. So just copy this and paste it. No Twitter icon. So after updating your site, you can refresh the page and see that is the link is working or not. So the link is perfectly working and the Twitter, it's also YouTube, it's also. So now what we do, so guys, here we will upload our profile picture. So for uploading our profile picture, just click on the image and choose image. So here we have to upload our files. So for uploading that, we will take drag and drop your image like this. Like this, you can add up your images. So this I have to manage text. Like here okay, like this we can use text. So you have to adjust text like this so that it will look better. And I have uploaded my image, and here also I have to upload another image or give. So what I'll do, I will search for image about me 2D graphics. Uh, Search for this about me 2D graphics in Google for being a bad means there is someone. We will get some thing. Add a developer. Still okay. Developer. Okay, you have to find some this type of images. Okay, there are some of okay. Uh, which is better. Okay, I like this. So just right click and save image as to download this image, and in BG remover we will remove this background. Remove this background of we will remove the background of this image. Remove BG, and here is the image. Download this, and here we will add that image. Again, drag and drop. So this is very simple. Like this, you have to add these type of images. So here we want to add a divider between this. We can search this type of image line without text. So here we will get most of the different dividers type line. We following like okay. So I think we can use this image. Copy. We will copy the address of this image, and here we will add it with the insert from your insert it into post. So it still have a background. Um, if you not find these images, then also you can also use other images. Okay, this image is perfect. So what we'll do, we will download this image and yeah, upload in this site. Let's check it. It will be able to remove the background of this or okay, it has removed the background. And now we will add this image here. So this how I have successfully added the image. So you have to find the better image for yourself like this in the Google. So try to do this, and I think we have almost completed our site and we have added the images and all the sections. So I think we have almost completed our website, but we have to uh, create this website responsiveness. Like right now, whenever I come to my page, let me refresh the page. Let's say this. So this is my website, right? So it is completed, but the problem is it is not mobile friendly. If I check on mobile, like this, so it will look like this, and the image also is getting problem in the mobile section. So we have to make some changes in mobile view. So what we'll do in the next video, we will create the responsiveness of this video and all of the things. So here is the option, responsive mode for watching our website in different types of ways.